Welcome back to part 4 of this uh, uh, piling creation and configuration of horizontal bracings or roof bracings. So this particularly we're working on the central gusset plate creation set configuration. Please note that. So the part we are trying to get some shortcuts on how we can just copy this and place it here was not working. So I've just placed some points right away. I've just placed it behind the curtain because it is a simple thing to do because I had already showed you how to do that. And if anyone here not getting this right, please, I'll be able to answer you straight off. If you raise your hand, that is, and now I'm seeing you even if I'm not seeing, but I'm seeing you. Seeing you meaning if you put that, write that question, I'll be able to show you how to do that. Now I've placed my point here. Now let's go straight to steel, not the actual steering. This is steel, STEEENL. Then we go to plate. Then we'll get started right away. So this time round, we'll not need to put some line straight. I'm going to come back to edit to get the steel the point tool and click on that. And I want to snap on this point, right click and come to in. So this seems to be straight. This seems to be straight. That's marvelous. Perpendicular. Perpendicular. And come to any correction and let me select on that, right click and pick perpendicular. Perpendicular. Right. It sounds funny. Now this is straight line. So I don't know this side. If you don't bother about that side, I'll come to steel and pick plate. We're not stealing the plate. Pick on that, select on that, and I'm going to pick on this and select on that and select on that. And again, I'm going to pick on that and finish off right there. So let's turn this round and see what we have. Oh, marvelous, we have these in place, but do we have the rotation the same? The rotation is the same. Perfect, but the plate size. It's the same. The offset is 100, 100, and 300. So right click and redraw. We don't need those points anymore. We don't need those points anymore. Now, do we start from this end or this end? Let's start where we started with. We'll live here for some time because we have to create bolts. We have to connect these two to the rafter. We have to create connection to the central gusset plates. So we'll either be with us for some time. We are here for some time. Now, this is where points makes the most important part in creating bolts for this kind of particular gusset plate, central gusset plate connection. Now I'll come to edit and go straight to points, and I'm going to pick that. Snap on that spot and snap on that spot, the midpoint. Click apply and lift on OK. Come back, and snap on that spot, snap on that spot, and snap on that spot, and snap on that spot. Are we getting anywhere? Is someone getting lost? So let me just snap on that spot and snap on that spot. Then snap on this spot and snap on that spot. Perfect. So in short, we have a bolt here, we have a bolt here, we have a bolt here, we have a bolt here. Correct. 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 So if I turn this round, I'll be able to I want to place some bolts. I want to place a bolt here. So how do you mark that point? I can come here and place a midpoint there. Place a point at the midpoint there and come here again and rotate that, turn that round and come to edit here and come to points, and I want to place a point right there. Now I want to press Control and pick on this and right click and come to copy. I want to transfer this point upward here and pick on this and place it right there. Perfect. I'll come to view and come to navigate and pick rotate with mouse, pick that option by left clicking on your mouse and pick your rotation point. My rotation point is here. Then I'll just place my mouse inside that circle and hold, and I'll be able to turn that around like that. So I have so many things. So I've delete some points there so that I only have this point. So I'll offset this point this way, but to know its position, I have to reorient my XYZ plane. Come to view. And come to work plane tool and pick the first option. Place my work plane tool right there. So this is in line. So if I copy this, by right clicking, come to spatial copy and pick linear. Where is our XYZ pointing? We are on the X-axis direction. I think you can see that. Now, we want to offset this by some millimeter, not 100 though, but 40. 40 will be okay, or 50. 50 will be okay. Perfect. Same applies on the other side. If I pick on that, right click and come to spatial copy and pick on linear. And we have, well, it is on the same x-axis, but we'll now remove that negative sign and copy that. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. Let me delete the middle point and leave the 2. So what else? We'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll do the same thing on the other side. On the other side, we have some time. We have some time. Don't worry about time. Time is not, some time is not money, but the time is money. So let me select that, and I want to pick it from this spot and take it to that spot, and I've gotten the midpoint right there. And let me come to online option for points, and I want to pick on that and pick on this and pick on that. That's it. That's it. Let me get rid of this midpoint. Perfect. So I need 2 bolts from this far end. So I'm going to snap on this and snap on that. I've got 2 points right there. Snap on that and snap on this. I've got some 2 points right there. Close this. Close this. And since then, I cannot see this member. What can I do? Instead of rotating like that, the way we did, I can come here and under view and come to render and can make this transparent. And I'll be able to see this point here and come to edit. I'll come to points and come to any option and I'll snap on that spot and probably snap on the other side. But I can't see, I can't see, I can't see, but I can't see, I can't see, but I can see. Isn't that funny? Now, let me select on that. And this time around, try rotate this because I actually can't see that. I can't see that. I can't pretend I'm seeing. I can't pretend I'm seeing that, but I can't see. I can't see it. I'll come there and snap right on that. Now I'm going to pick view. I'm going to come to work plane. I'm going to place my work plane tool there. Pick on this and right click and come to copy. I want to copy this inward by 50 millimeter on the X direction. There we are. There we are. There we are. Now I right click and come to copy, and I'll copy this from that spot and place it right there. Now I can press Ctrl and select this initial point and delete. I'm not American. That's not my accent. That is not my accent. Now, we are getting worked up now. You can see. Now we have our points in place. Switch back to our render and pick on that. So we have this in place. So we have our points in place. This is a bolt, 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 this is a bolt. Now, the next lesson we are learning how we can place the bolts with the help of the positions of the points you see on the screen here. Is someone listening? Are we on the same page? Are we on the same page? Now, let's meet then, and I'll be able to show you how we can place the bolts. No jokes around. We are in class and we're learning. Bye bye. This is Maurice Nimba. Let's meet then.